Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Ubersuggest for fast SEO wins, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in ubersuggest.com and hit enter. Once the Ubersuggest website loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access the login or registration page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click sign in. If you're new to Ubersuggest, click on the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information, including your email and a password. You may also have the option to sign up using your Google account for convenience. After entering your information, click the Create Account button. Once logged in, navigate to the pricing section in the main menu. Review the different subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your SEO needs and budget. Click on the Get Started or Select Plan button. You will now be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your credit card information and billing address as required. Once you've completed this step, review your order and confirm the payment. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Ubersuggest dashboard to explore your new features. Familiarize yourself with the different tools available for keyword research and site audits. Start by entering your website or a competitor's URL in the search bar. Click the search button to get immediate SEO insights. Utilize the keyword suggestions and content ideas provided to start optimizing your site. Keep track of your progress and revisit the tools regularly for updated data. With consistent use, you'll begin to see fast SEO wins with Ubersuggest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.